the great thing about the AdaptDx Pro is that you can use it anywhere, which is fantastic. Before, our AdaptDx tabletop took up an entire room, which also had some other tests that we would have to run which could hinder other patient experiences. But the AdaptDx Pro, since it's portable and you can use it in other rooms, really the possibilities are endless.
My first impression of the AdaptDx Pro has been amazing. I think, compared to the tabletop AdaptDx, it's a lot lighter and patients are a lot more comfortable. They know exactly what they're doing.
We'll be able to leave that patient in an exam room with Theia, who will talk this patient through the test and will free up our time by being able to bring other patients back, do any special charting that needs to be done, and get the next patients ready for clinic.
Theia delivers the test in a very efficient fashion. I noticed if I made a mistake at all, she was very quick to correct it and we could move on and continue with the test efficiently, which is going to make for much more accurate results.
I think Theia is great. She's very calm and she's very thorough, and the patients seem to understand her very well. And I think that's a lot better than the technicians, just because everyone explains things differently and sometimes it's harder for patients to understand. So Theia does a great job at explaining what to do and how to do it.
Hygiene is #1 thing whenever we're testing patients, and the patients are well aware of that. So I think they're going to be very impressed with not only the hygiene of the comfort guards, but the comfort of the comfort guards, because I tried it on as well and they were super comfortable.
The comfort guards will be a great hygienic barrier for the patients because a lot of people are wanting that hygiene. They want to see things changed out. They want to see things clean. I am excited to use the AdaptDx Pro because it was very easy to learn and adapt to. And nowadays, it's hard to find things that are that easy to use, especially with technology. And I know as a technician, to sit there and try to learn machines over and over again and not get the hang of it, it was really nice to experience the AdaptDx Pro and get the hang of it in 2 tries.